Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to upload a video introduction in Upwork. Adding a video introduction to your profile can significantly boost your chances of landing clients as it allows potential employers to see your personality and professionalism before reaching out to you. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to upwork.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Upwork dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your freelancer profile. Now, take a look at the right panel of your dashboard. Here you'll find various options for customizing and completing your profile. Click on Complete Your Profile. This section is designed to help you fill in any missing information that could make your profile more attractive to potential clients. It's essentially your checklist for creating a standout presence on the platform. Within the Complete Your Profile section, you'll see several options for enhancing different parts of your profile. Look for the option labeled Video Introduction and click on it. This feature is particularly powerful because it gives clients a chance to hear your voice, see your face, and get a sense of who you are beyond just text and credentials. At this point, you'll see a designated field where you can add your video. Here's where you'll paste your YouTube video URL link. Make sure you have your video already uploaded to YouTube beforehand, as Upwork uses YouTube links rather than direct uploads. Simply copy the link from your YouTube video and paste it into this field. This approach keeps file sizes manageable and ensures smooth playback for anyone viewing your profile. Once you've pasted the link, click Save. This finalizes the addition of your video introduction to your profile. Your changes will be stored, and your video will now be visible to anyone who visits your profile page. And there you have it. You've successfully added a video introduction to your Upwork profile, giving potential clients a more personal view of who you are and what you bring to the table. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.